In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Minecraft not signing in Android. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you plenty of different solutions to help you address problems with signing into your Microsoft account to play Minecraft on your smartphone. So first, I recommend heading over to the settings and choosing the options here. So inside of the settings, go over to the General tab and look for anything related to allowing mobile data for online play. Usually it's going to be the first option at the top. I highly recommend enabling this. Even if you aren't going to be using mobile data, this can help address problems with signing in and your Wi-Fi. With this done, the next thing to do is to check the Account tab. So on the left side of the screen, you will have Account. Now, I am already signed into my Microsoft account, but I'm going to sign out to demonstrate what to do if you are having trouble. Usually, this is going to be attributed to connection problems. So choose the option to sign in for free, and then sign in now. This will redirect you to the official Microsoft website. However, if you still aren't able to get this done after you arrive at this page, then back out of Minecraft and head over into the settings for your smartphone. In these settings, go to the Connection and Sharing tab, go all the way down and then reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks, and Bluetooth. In here, reset these settings. Keep in mind that you will have to reconnect into your Wi-Fi network using the password, so make sure that you have it noted down. This will essentially reset any network troubles that you might be having. And this is going to differ for every single Android device. I have a Xiaomi device, so for me it is available here. Now, once this is done, you can try relogging into Minecraft. If it still does not work, I recommend going over to the Play Store and looking to see if there are any updates for Minecraft. So in the search function, look for Minecraft and ensure that there are no updates. If this says play instead of update, then you are good to go. But if you see the update option, it's very important that you keep the game up to date, and this should fix any issues that you might have. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Minecraft not signing in Android. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.